All right, here we are in Adobe Photoshop. I'm going to show you how to set up new docs. This is part 1 of 5 on a playlist that's just showing you the basics of how to use Photoshop in general. I'm going to do print and web use right here for the new documents. So they're both going to be pretty quick. This is for website stuff. So if you're making this for digital, or phone or whatever it is, you're going to want to stick with pixels. There might be some requirements, or you're looking for something that has to have over 500 pixels by 500 pixels or something. So this would work 800 by 500. So this is where you input those dimensions, and you want to be in RGB, which is red, green, and blue. That's how monitors work. And 72 pixels per inch. That is the monitor. If your image is at 100%, viewing size, then it'll look perfect. So we're going to hit create here, and then you'll have basically this is your new doc. And let's do a quick one for print real quick, and I'll come back and show you how to resize it after this too. So you want to go to inches, and then you can change this. Let's just say we're going to make it 8.5 by 11 or something. So 8.5 by 11, orientation this way, and 300, because that'll translate to 300. It's pixels per inch now, but it'll translate into 300 dots per inch, which is DPI, if you're printing it. And then you're going to want to go to the ink colors of your printer, which are primarily cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, CMYK. And then let's just hit create. So now we have that document. And I'm going to flip back to this guy. I'm going to show you the important thing here, how to resize these once they're already done. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. And image and image size. This is going to do the entire thing. It's kind of like redoing the entire document. So you can see that this toggle is on. It's going to take the height and width together. So if I just make this simply 1000 on the height, it shrunk down the on the width, it shrunk the height. And you can turn that on and off. It doesn't have to be on. So I'm going to hit OK for that. Whoops, let's go 1000 and hit OK. And you'll see that everything gets pulled down. The image here and this white canvas. That's called the canvas. So let's change just the canvas and leave all the artwork alone. You go up here to image and pull down the canvas size. And now this is basically just the document, but it's going to shrink it. You can make it smaller than the actual image if you wanted to. So let's just go ahead and go to 700 and 700. Make it a square. And watch this. It's going to go, whoop, see that? There we go. So you didn't shrink the image at all. You shrunk just this the canvas, like the box that it's in, basically. So that's the gist of that. If you want to save, it's very straightforward. You just go save as. You hit whatever it is that you want to do, and you've got down here Photoshop document. That's a PDF. I'm sorry, Photoshop is a PSD, Photoshop PDF, or whatever. But you have your options or TIFF. But the biggest one I would put is right here, Photoshop document. I mean, that's what you want to save as, more than likely. And that's that for this part. Come back for part 2 in the next video in this playlist, and I'll show you layers. If that helped, make sure to hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.